Hi guys, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Okay, so we just want to show you our first scan video. Although it's actually not our first, because the first one we misplaced it, we lost the clip. So we just want to show you all of the excitement, all of the, you're just gonna meet our baby in the belly for the very first time. All right. So,
Um, the experience was cool.
yeah, it was
Yeah,
exciting.
yes, because the first time we went for a scan, I think we recorded it, but I don't know what happened to it, baby.
I lost the clip. I don't know what happened to it. I can't even. But this is actually the second one. But of course, you are seeing it for the first time, so it's actually like our first scan. Okay. The next one we're gonna go to check is actually gonna be the sex of the baby.
Yeah, yeah. The second time we went, I think the baby have started kicking. The doctor told us that the baby is kicking. He was showing us all part of the body, all the baby, his eyes and all that also.
Yeah.
So
all
I
of
was
all
so
of the
excited.
baby's organ and stuff.
Yeah.
We're very excited, so we just want to share this excitement with you guys, so that you
We were,
guys can see. Ah.
we were told that the baby has long legs. No, it's not that we were told. I
We're
saw
not
it.
told, we saw it. The baby has long
Long
leg like
leg.
that of my husband. Oh god, my pikin go go resemble this guy. So we just want to share the experience with you guys. Hope you do enjoy it. Okay, enjoy it. All right. So make sure you thumbs up the video, like, comment, subscribe, and
I think we'll be going for another scan soon, and we'll upload it as well for people to see
yeah,
or know the sex of the baby.
yeah. Yeah,
Enjoy.
we're actually going to be doing a gender review. So even if we do scan, we're just not going to be telling you like that. We're going to be showing you everything, all of the stuff. It's so exciting, okay? So enjoy it. We're going to go and meet you today.
I will speak to you when I'm through.
Maybe don't fall finish.
Maybe that's fine.
Guys, listen.
You don't understand. That's why I said I was going to.
David, are you see me? Hey, my baby will be fine. Look at the leg. The leg is long. It's like the father's leg.
It's like it's not like your own.
Let the baby take. Say leg long, baby. Leg don't form. See bone. See. Ah, baby, just speaking leg long.
There's no need for me to explain it to you. You've already seen it. That's why the fact that so, your last menstrual period was February, right?
Yes.
It was very heavy February.
Yeah.
First week of February. Okay. So you are 19 weeks, 2 days pregnant now, okay?
19 weeks. That's like how much? How many months?
19 weeks, 2 days. That is 4 months, almost 5 months.
Almost like.
Okay? Yeah. So, the baby is fine. The expected date of delivery not November, of November, which might be 2 weeks before that time, or 2 weeks after. Okay? Now, let's come back to explanation. Now, can you see that round thing there?
Yeah.
That's the head. Inside, that's the thing, right? There's the brain formation of the baby. Okay? That's the brain contents of the baby. You can see the face of the baby. Right?
Yeah.
That's the head. Okay? That's the head.
Baby, are you videoing me?
Can you see the head of the baby?
Yes.
You can see the nose.
Yes.
Right? This is the nose. So just be looking at that positive side.
Yes.
And here's the mouth, okay?
Yeah.
Right? Now, can you see this thing there? The long black small thing here. Okay?
Yeah. That should be the eye.
That is the eye of the baby. You can see the mouth here now. It opens the mouth small, right? You can see it there. And here is the chin. Here is the cheek. Right? Now, let's come down. This is the neck of the baby. Can you see this white line? These two white lines small at the back. Eh?
Yeah.
That is the back. That is the neck. That is the neck bone.
Okay.
Okay? Here is the neck. And we come down, you can see something hitting here, right? That is the heartbeat of the baby. Okay? Right? You can see the heart, and you can also see the heart pumping blood, right? That's the heart pumping blood there. Can you see that? Can you see?
Yeah.
Now, let's come. This is the ribs of the baby. There is one time. Can you see those tiny white lines?
Yes.
These lines there. These lines. These lines there you are seeing here. These are the ribs that covers the heart. Okay? Here is the tummy of the baby. And you can also see the legs of the baby folded here. Up. Down here. Can you see that? Now this, can you see the hand? Mommy, how are you? You can see the hand pointing at you, right?
Yes.
Can we count it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So everything is fine. The whole black thing you are seeing here is the water in which the baby is swimming. And this white thing here is the placenta. It's the placenta of the baby, okay? So everything is good. Everything is good.
So can we know the sex?
The sex, right? Okay. There's another check. So can you see that thread, right? Something like a thread? Can you see this thing? That
Yes.
looks like a thread.
Yes.
Okay? That is the umbilical cord. Yeah. Everything is fine. We're having a baby here. Okay?
Understand that stuff going on there.
Wow, you can't see now. You want to see. Yeah? You can't get it. Can you see this 3 line here? One tiny 3 line there. Right?
Yes.
The two, the vagina, this thing, the line, yeah. That is it, that is it.
Well, when will you now see the whole thing very well?
You want to see. In most cases, at times you don't see.
Okay, you just see
except you are trained to see. Understand? Even at times, there are some babies we have to tell them they have to go, then come back another time for the sex. So, can you see the foot of the baby?
Yes.
Yeah. So
It's kicking.
everything is fine, madam. Okay?
So when will I start feeling the kick of
The
the baby?
kick. When the baby is 25 weeks old, you can start feeling the kick. 25 weeks or so. But the baby is full. There's nothing.
I think it's true.
Still. So everything is fine. Okay. We wait shortly after the results.
Okay.